Hey there, Endcappers. In today's episode, let's talk about the carpet rake, the carpet brush, and the Spotz brush. Stick around to find out more. So let's talk about these three brushes that we have here at Excellent Supply. We've just recently brought in the carpet rake from Stain Out Systems. It has nice tines that are designed particularly for working in your pre-spray and also for grooming loop carpet, for example, Berbers or loop carpet. You could do some post-grooming, but primarily you're going to use this for working in pre-spray, agitating the fiber, opening up the fiber prior to cleaning. It's a super handy tool, the carpet rake, for pre-application, working with your pre-sprays, working in spots. And you can do some grooming with this as well. The only thing is, on a cut pile carpet, you're going to leave rake marks in the carpet. Now, for grooming cut pile carpet, we have this carpet brush from Stain Out Systems also, and it's perfect. It's got nicely balanced bristles for grooming cut pile carpets, Saxony, that sort of thing, and it leaves a nice smooth appearance on the carpet for post-grooming. You can also use this as a brush to work in your pre-spray. However, the rake will do a better job of really kind of opening up the pile and working the pre-spray down into the fiber. But for grooming cut pile, highly recommend the carpet brush. So the carpet rake, the carpet brush, they're comparable to the green colored brush and rake that have been in the industry for many years. I won't name it here, but you probably, if you've been around the industry, you know what I'm talking about. Compares nicely and priced a little bit more affordably than the one that's been around for such a long time. Now finally, I want to talk about the Spotz brush. We've been selling this for a long time here at Excellent Supply. It has two different bristles for softer fiber and firmer fiber, and it's listed right here to show you. There's a little arrow showing you which one to use. What you want to do with this is, when you're dealing with spots in your carpet, just give a few squirts of end cap spot and scrub over it. You don't need to bring in an extractor. You can simply hit it with the Spotz brush. So these three brushes, the Spotz brush for spot cleaning, the rake for working in pre-spray or grooming loop carpet, or the brush, carpet brush for grooming cut pile carpets, they're all great tools that we have here. You'll find them in the accessory section on the website here at Excellent Supply. It's just one more way we want to help you be effective in your business and max your end cap. Thanks for watching this episode. I'll put links to the product below. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Share your comments about these products and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thank you for watching NCAP TV.